Another breakdown. As you can see, last week was a great week. We ended up with a combined profit of 7 risk to reward. And if you held on to CHF JPY, you ended up closing out your trades with at least a 9 risk to reward. So we had GBP USD, we also had USD CHF and GBP CHF. So let's start off with GBP USD. First, we want to identify the direction of the market. If I look to my left, you can see that the market was previously in a bearish market structure, creating lower lows, lower highs, followed by a break of this recent high to create this new higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And now we have our impulse that broke and closed above the highest point of the previous structure, followed by a retracement of at least 2 daily candles, and they are all one color. So if I move this to the side, you can clearly see that we are in a upwards momentum. We identify our impulse right here. It is all one color. It has also broke and closed above the highest point of this previous structure right here. Our retracement is 2 daily candles minimum, and they are also all one color. On the weekly, we will look for our support or resistance that could be of influence. So let me replay this on the weekly to give you guys an idea of what it was looking like. So on the weekly, I'm going to draw my support. You can see this level right here was previously support, 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 support. Price broke this level, used it as resistance, but broke right back above. So now we are expecting this level to be used as support to continue the momentum to the upside. So we know the daily, we're looking for buys, and the weekly is above the resistance level. So it is now using it as support. On the daily, we draw our fib from the end of the retracement to the beginning to measure the distance of the new impulse. So let's draw our fib from the end to the beginning because we expect the new retracement to come at least to this negative 27 before pulling back and having its retracement. So on the 4 hour, we are now waiting for the break of this 61 level. We're waiting, still waiting, and right here we have our break. That means we can now place our order on the 61, stop loss on the 88, and the take profit on the negative 27. So let's play it forward. Right now, we have been tapped into this trade. As soon as price breaks this 38 level, that means our stop loss can now go to break even, and it becomes a risk-free trade. So we're waiting until TP gets hit. And as you can clearly see, our TP has been smashed. So this was the quick 1 to 3 on GBP USD.